How do you charge your wireless Lavalier microphones that you got off of Amazon for your iPhone? Well, it's interesting. You don't have to charge the transmitter. This is the part that goes into your iPhone. There is a lightning port. What's that for? Well, it's for if your phone dies while you're, or gets low while you're recording, you can charge the phone directly through here. But this is using power from your phone, so you don't need to charge that. These you do need to charge. And the box came with a charging cable, and right there. And what was cool about the box is that it has a split line. So you plug in this USB into your computer, or if you have a phone charger brick, you can do that. So I plugged it into my laptop right there, into USB. And then you just plug this one in here. Goes either way because it's USB-C. It doesn't, you don't have to guess. Plug that one in there, and you can see these red lights are on. So the red light means that it's getting power and it's charging. And according to this manual that came with our headphones, that light will go out when they're both fully charged. I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.